and today we'll be installing more interior trim. It's got to complete the job, go along with the theme. Follow along. So today we're just going to be covering the door sills with looks like a black chrome trim that I was able to find, very similar to the one that I had on my Dodge Charger. Let me show you. So this is the trim here, and I think it looks really good, you know, like a black chrome. It's kind of got a little brush streaks in it, part of their design along with the plates to be installed. But yeah, this is it. Like anything else, it's got a couple of miles of this red tape that needs to be removed, so the prep does take the longest. And I will show you guys what it looks like when it's being put on. So the boring, dull, regular plastic, black, almost gray, will be finally replaced, just like that. I think it looks really good, actually, better than I anticipated. It is the mirror finish, like a black chrome, but overall, wow, I think this looks good. This is the front driver's side, so the mat, it works perfectly. The fit is, I mean, I'm very happy with the results. That's what I'm really just trying to say. This is the front driver's seat, and then the rear seat looks like this. Exact same thing. And you know, with the laser fit mats, like I said, it just fits perfectly. It doesn't intrude with the door closing. It doesn't, that was something I was a little concerned about, was if it would fill that gap that the door wouldn't close as smoothly, but no, it fits perfectly. All right, guys, that was today's short install video. I mean, again, leave a like if you think this is a nice little upgrade touch. Leave a comment below as well if you haven't already done so. Hit the subscribe button. A lot more coming. Thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Yeah.